Learning with GBA Episode 3. Turn me on, growing your personal brand. Hi, welcome to the Global Brand Academy's Learning with GBA. My name is Dr. 𝗵𝗎𝗆 and I am the Chief Experience Officer of the Brand Theatre Worldwide and the Head Brand Coach of the Global Brand Academy. I've been ranked number 2 in the world as a global brand thought leader, and I've also written 8 best-selling books on branding. I wrote a book about personal branding called Turn Me On, Growing Your Personal Brand. And the book was really all about how you could switch on your personal brand and shine in your marketplace. I want to share with you the story of 2 entrepreneurs. Entrepreneur number 1. Now, entrepreneur number 1, he has all his social channels mapped out. He's always posting great content all about his services and his products. He's also at networking events. He's got a book that he's written that he shares and he gives to his different clients and people that he meets. Entrepreneur number 2, old-fashioned type of entrepreneur, depends on his network. Now I'm going to ask you this question: who do you think is going to win in the marketplace? Now, of course, they both are doing a pretty good job because entrepreneur number 2 has a network. But you cannot depend on your current network. You need to use your personal brand to reach out to new markets, new opportunities. And entrepreneur number 1 has done a great job of doing that because he's got all his social channels where he has a strong personal brand. He's able to engage with not just his current customers but potential customers. He's able to showcase his brand and what his brand services are all about. And that's the power of personal branding. The ability to turn on your brand, the ability to stand out in your marketplace, the ability to draw people to you. Now, if you are doing it the old-fashioned way, it's not wrong, but I want you to think 5-6 steps away. The world is changing, and the ability for you to turn on your brand in this changing world is so crucial. And that's what this program is all about. It's how you can be a personal brand, how you can stand out in your marketplace, how you can use both the online and the offline world to position yourself as a thought leader, to position yourself as an expert, to position your brand so that you attract customers to you. I'm excited in this program because you can do this as a keynote, a workshop, a 3-day program, or even as a coaching program where we use our proprietary 5D technique to help you create your personal brand. Number 1, first D, where we help you discover your brand, where you go on this powerful journey to understand what your brand stands for. Number 2, we help you define your brand, define your goals, and define your marketplace. Number 3, we help you develop your brand identity, your brand positioning, who you stand for, what you stand for. The next D is deliver, where we help you execute your brand strategy effectively to your audience across different channels. And then the final D is dynamic, is how do you sustain the relevance and the credibility of your brand in your marketplace. This is a powerful program. It's a powerful program that will help you build and grow your personal brand. It would also equip you with powerful ideas and impactful strategies that will help you stand out in your marketplace. The Turn Me On Personal Branding Program will help you build your own powerful and winning brand that will help you increase your visibility in your marketplace and grow your business. That's our commitment to you. We have worked with clients from all around the world. We have worked with clients who are individuals who have their own business. We've even worked with executives because, again, personal branding is also about how you can deliver your brand in your career, in your workplace. How can you get promoted? How can you stand out in your organization? So every program is customized so that you get great maximum value. So if you're an organization, if you are a team, if you manage your own products and services, if you are a business owner, entrepreneur, this program is for you. For inquiries, please visit our website or social pages, links in the bio. My name is Dr. 𝗵𝗎𝗆 and this is Learning with GBA. Are you ready to turn on your personal brand?